Westwood, a place here everyone is family. Each and every one of them plays an important role, no matter their size and capabilities, especially the littlest ones like me. Hi, I'm a fairy that wanders through Westwood and oversees the school. Let me introduce to you some of the residents here that you didn't know of. Ants. These are ants, of course. Although they are considered to be annoying pests, they still do play an important part in our ecosystem. Fishes. These are koi fishes that live in the school ecosystem. Look, they're swimming around. Birds. You see birds often in your everyday lives, especially in the school canteen. Flowers. Flowers are crucial for brightening up the school and adorning it. They also provide a safe haven for visiting insects. Snails. Oh, look at him, so peaceful and relaxed. These are just a few of my tiny pals who are willing to help me out today. The rest are, camera shy. That's it for our little tour. Goodbye!